The kitten and its mother want to make fish for lunch.
Oh, no, we don't have vegetables.
The kitten and its mother went to the store to buy vegetables and did some shopping. Oh no! A dog was approaching them very quickly. Oh no! They had an accident and the dog ran away. The kitten's mother fell to the ground. An ambulance came and took the mother to the hospital. The doctors could not save the kitten's mother and she died. The kitten was very angry and decided to take revenge on his mother. He studied hard and tried. He became a policeman. One day, suddenly, he saw a dog driving very fast on the street. It was the same dog that had killed his mother. Finally, he took revenge and arrested the dog.